We guide you through how to add a border in a Google Docs to make your document more professional and visually appealing. First thing you need to do is open your Google Docs document and decide whether you want the border around a specific section, paragraph, or the entire page. Go to Insert in the top menu, then select Drawing, followed by plus New. In the Drawing window, click the Shape icon, select Shapes, and choose a rectangle. Draw the rectangle to cover the area where you want the border. Next, click the border color icon to pick your preferred color and adjust the border weight to make the line thicker or thinner according to your design. You can also select border dash if you want dotted or dash line instead of a solid one. Once satisfied, click Save and Close. The rectangle will appear in your document as a border. You can resize, reposition, or even duplicate it for multiple sections. This method gives you full control over the look of your document and help highlight important sections. So that's it.